In the search bar, go ahead and start typing the letters SNIP, and then you would select this option here called Snipping Tool. Click on that. Then you just have to make sure that this first icon here, which is the camera icon called Snip, is selected. Then click on New. And then from here you just have to hold left click on your mouse, and you can either select the entire screen or you can drag it to whatever the desired area is that you need to take the screenshot. Once that's all done, let go of left click and you would have taken your screenshot. Now to go ahead and find out where your screenshots are saved, because it's saved automatically, let's go to Start and type File Explorer. Click on that. And then here you should have a folder called Pictures, so click on that, and then you will have one called Screenshots. Just make sure that your folder here it's sorted by date. That way you can see the latest one here, which is this right here, which is the one we just took. And that is how you take screenshots in Windows 11.